Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a VOX-style animation documentary using Canva. Okay, before we start creating a VOX-style animation documentary, I'm going to show you how the animation looks like. This is for the animation, guys. And then I'm going to show you how we can create this animation. Okay, let's move to the Canva application and we're going to create new design. This is the design I have just created. And then I'm going to add this picture to my page. And we're going to adjust it to fit the screen like this. And then I'm going to select Edit. And we can choose Magic Grab. And then we're going to choose Foreground. And click on Grab. Okay, and the next one, we're going to select the elements and add circle. And for the circle, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the sun. And then we're going to duplicate this page. But wait, I'm going to move this sun behind the castle. So I'm going to go to the layer. And then I'm going to click on send backward. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate the page. We can select the page and select duplicate page. And let's move to the page 1. And I'm going to select this castle, select animate, and we're going to choose ink and select blow. Okay, and then I'm going to select this page, this one, the background I mean. And again, we're going to apply the ink animation. And select seep. Okay, and let's adjust the duration. I'm going to select this castle and I'm going to make it 3.3. And then for the sun, I'm going to make it 2.2. Alright, and then we're going to move to the second page and I'm going to show the layer. Okay, and click on the sun and then we're going to make it bigger like this. And we're going to apply filter to the castle. Select the castle and you're going to go to edit. And I'm going to choose filter. Select see all filter and choose this filter. Noir. Okay, and then I'm going to move it down a little bit. And add new page, and then you're going to add text, and you can choose heading, and for example I'm just going to type in castle, and then we're going to make it bigger, and we're going to change the font to Amsterdam 1. Alright, and make it bigger. Okay, and go to the effect. We're going to choose lift. And we're going to increase the intensity to 100. And we're going to change the text color to white. And we're going to export this text. We can click on share, select download, and choose PNG, transparent background, and just export this image, this page I mean, current page. Done. And click on download. Okay, and then we're going to delete this page and I'm going to go to the upload and you can upload the text you have just exported. Okay, and I'm going to add the text to my design and go to the animate, select the sketch animation. Okay, just fill on enter. And then I'm going to go to the transition. I'm going to add transition. And for the transition, we can select match and move. And increase the duration to 1.8. Okay, and wait, let me adjust the duration of the text. And okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.